Hello guys, thanks for tuning in to another vlog. We are currently in the Bangkok, Thailand airport on our way to Siem Reap, Cambodia. Given to my last video about our day in Bangkok, be sure to check that out because it was an awesome day. We're on our way to Siem Reap right now. Our Airbnb host is going to pick us up at the airport and we're going to sleep, so I guess I'll catch up with you in the morning. First morning in Cambodia. Welcome to our humble abode. Great, yesterday we got to the airport nice and late. We rode some tuk-tuks, which were super neat, all the way back to this little village outside of Siem Reap. There are frogs like croaking everywhere. I don't know, I can already tell it's going to be a very cool experience.
Tell me your name. Want to say again?
My name's Sophie.
Sophie?
My name's Akhan.
Oh, and very, very pretty.
as you can tell, we're not currently there. After the silk farm, we went over to the floating village. It was a pretty long drive, but it was absolutely beautiful, and we saw a lot of really cool things. So we went down over to the floating village, which is a little farther away from Siem Reap, and it was super cool. We had a boat guide just take us around. Didn't say anything, but it was just really, really cool to see all the different people there, and the village itself was amazing. We even got to stop by a temple, and that was right by a schoolhouse, and so we got to see a bunch of kids and talk to them. So that was really, really fun. Anyways, so we're almost home. We're just stopping at this store to get some things. And I think that'll be it for today's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed. We had an awesome first full day here in Cambodia. It was excellent. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.